That's good work. I would love to see relatives of my bird Petrushka in natural area. Sometimes I hear birds who singing like that, but it's very hard to notice them because it's greenfinch and they are really green. And when they sitting on the trees, it's very hard to see them through the leaves. Let's go. What's there? Oh. Kitty. Poor baby. Oh. Mima, let's go. I can't even think about imagining that my pets will die one day. Not so long time ago I watched a very nice movie about a dog. I forgot how it's named. It's like a Latina's movie, I guess, something like that. And dog was named like this specific word. Okay, never mind. By the way, I see paths which I haven't seen before. Maybe we should go there as well. Here and here too already seen. There probably also was a little, I forgot word. What's that? Waterfall. Other waterfall. Cry me, river. Cry me, cry me. I already seen 4 new paths which I would love to see. So beautiful view. But it looks so unusual. They have these things which grows only to the top. Interesting. That's why sometimes people can walk through the tortoises. Sometimes it's happened too. What have you been on? So beautiful. Once I went there here, but it's way too sharp path, so I don't go again because it was very scary, especially when I needed to go back. Very extreme. Come here. Okay, hope I won't fall down because it's look slicky. And dirty. Oh, look, so many mushrooms. Here's very moody place. We might want to go because the river goes there through a small stream. Bima, go somewhere, please. No? No, I don't want your number, no. I don't give you mine, and no, I don't want the scrubs. Bima likes when I'm singing. Maybe he's deaf. I love spiders. I'm fearless. Fearless, fearless, short anonymous, anonymous. Oh, so interesting roofs. Roofs. Very relaxing sounds. Oh. Maybe tortoises already fallen asleep for winter. I don't know really when they started to do it. Just a few days ago I seen one. I hear something moving there. Maybe it's water. No, I don't want no scrubs. Wow, that's so beautiful and so big. And I see other one mushroom again. It looks like a little pancake. You may see that we're already tired. But so beautiful view, oh my gosh. Just something. Maybe I will sit and eat here. It will be unusual breakfast. You must sniff something. foo.